What's up, guys? Doing a little blaster box break of Prizm basketball, 1819 Prizm basketball. I was in the mood to rip something and I saw this, and you know, everybody likes Prizm, so figured we'd go with that, or I'd go with that, I mean. Obviously looking for a Luka silver rookie would be definitely the best card out of here, or Luka jersey, because we're looking for one autograph for mem per box on average. But let's be honest, people, it's only a mem card. Here's our packs, 4 cards per pack. Looks like the bottom one is probably our mem, but it's not usually about the mem, it's about the rookies, especially the silver rookies. You guys know the deal. If it's not PC, it's available. Got a Harden, Robert Williams III rookie. We got a Get Hyped Westbrook. And a Ennis. Remember, guys, auctions this Tuesday. I'm thinking about making them every Tuesday instead of every other. McCollum, Robinson, Dwayne Wade Dominance, Barnes. Come on, let's get some color here. Paid $20 for this because I bought it at Target. Because we were out and I was just like, I feel it. Oh, that's Prizm. Don't think it's a rookie. Paul George, Alan Krabby, or however you pronounce that last name, and a Evan Prizm, not numbered. Probably the worst name in the set. That kind of stinks. I've never heard of him, like, once. But, you know, sometimes you strike out. Ursan Ilyasova. Kyle Lowry green, that's cool. Very nice. And a Tyler Johnson. Second to last pack before the mem. Or maybe it's a thick autograph or an RPA if those even exist. That would be nice. Got a Scottie Pippen, Oladipo, Immersion, Wagner. That's cool. And a Morris. Alright, last pack here. Come on, Luka. Alright. So we got Kevin Love, Patty Mills, Justin Jackson, and a Shaq Sensational Swatches jersey card. That's cool. That's pretty cool, actually. I'm okay with that. Shaq's a good player. Okay, that's too small of a sleeve. Where are my big sleeves? There we go. Nice card. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Didn't get a Luka, but still fun break. Bye.